After much anticipation, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 has taken center stage, surpassing its tablet-like counterpart, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This year's enhancements primarily revolve around the larger and more striking external display, along with its collection of cover screen applications. Despite the impressive features, it's important to acknowledge that accidents remain a possibility, and even top-tier smartphones are not immune to sustaining damage from an accidental concrete drop. In light of this, for the sake of safeguarding your device, we present a selection of the finest Galaxy Z Flip 5 cases currently available for purchase.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Samsung has introduced its own lineup of cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Although the selection is not extensive, these cases come with unique features that set them apart. One such case, aptly named the Ring case, boasts a built-in ring encircling the hinge. This ring serves as a convenient finger grip, whether the phone is in its unfolded or folded state. Crafted primarily from silicone gel, the case is exceptionally slim and lightweight. However, it's important to note that its protective capabilities are somewhat limited, especially given its relatively high price point. The case does come in a variety of colors, allowing you to match it with your chosen phone color. Additionally, Samsung has prioritized eco-consciousness by using environmentally friendly materials in the construction of the case. This ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of the case without harming the planet. In a sharp departure, the NanoPop offers a sleek and minimalist aesthetic, while Caseology's Parallax case is characterized by its emphasis on tactile elements and visual dimension. The pronounced grooved bumper of the Parallax case ensures a sturdy grip to the extent that your hands would need to be substantially moist for any potential slippage to occur. The distinctive cube pattern adorning the rear of the case may strike as unconventional at first glance, but it proves to be remarkably practical. This textured pattern significantly aids in finger placement across the rear surface, a particularly advantageous feature when navigating the device's cover screen. The Ringke Clear case designed for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 presents an excellent choice for individuals seeking an uncomplicated and transparent casing solution that elegantly showcases the device's design. Constructed as a two-piece solid unit, this case is fashioned from anti-yellowing polycarbonate material, ensuring long-lasting clarity and visual appeal. The case is thoughtfully engineered with precise cutouts meticulously aligned with the cover display, ports, and camera, guaranteeing unobstructed functionality and access. Notably, it features a cleverly integrated lanyard hole, offering users the convenience of attaching decorative charms and straps to personalize their device further. Introducing the Foluu Slim Fit case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, meticulously designed for style and protection. Its hard PC back ensures shock absorption and anti-scratch defense. The innovative shock absorption design includes 4 bumper corners with airbags, providing superior drop protection for the screen and camera. Raised bezel edges add further safeguards against scratches, keeping the screen and camera elevated on flat surfaces. The case offers a secure grip and anti-slip function, while its slim and lightweight profile preserves the device's aesthetics. With its blend of style and security, the Foluu Slim case is a reliable choice for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you're in search of a clear case that doesn't compromise on protection, UAG's Plyo case presents a compelling option that merits careful consideration. While it bears a relatively higher price tag, the features it brings to the table justify its cost. To begin, the Plyo case boasts a dual-layer construction that combines shock-absorbent thermoplastic polyurethane with robust polycarbonate. This strategic blend ensures a formidable defense against both scratches and impacts, providing a well-rounded shield for your device. UAG has gone the extra mile by incorporating corner airbags and skid pad, enhancing the case's protective capabilities even further. Despite its reinforced protection, The Plyo case maintains a sleek and lightweight profile. Its design has been thoughtfully crafted to preserve the slimness of your Galaxy Z Flip 5, adding minimal bulk while delivering robust safeguarding against potential hazards. So that was our list of 5 protective cases for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 that you should definitely check out. Which one would you go for? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.